Moto Talk USA.
What is up, guys? I got one question for the Japanese. My question is, why they don't make a powerful Supermoto, a factory powerful Supermoto? Hey! So the only choice you have for Supermoto made in Japan is a DRZ 400. That's it. If you live here in the States. I don't even see the Yamaha WR 250X on their website. I don't see that bike anymore. So you just got one choice basically if you want a Japanese Supermoto. So my question is, how come they don't make all of them? Suzuki, Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki. How come they don't make a powerful Supermoto? At least Suzuki makes one. It's not even powerful, but it's good enough. So in other countries, Yamaha does make the XT660X, and actually I used to own that bike when I lived in Europe. It was a pretty cool bike. The only thing I didn't like was the weight. It's 173 kilograms, 382 pounds. That's quite heavy for a single cylinder Supermoto. That kind of weight is what you find on sport bikes, 4-cylinder sport bikes. So that's not fair. You have a 1-cylinder Supermoto that weighs the same as a sport bike. But other than that, it's a reliable bike, and it's got power. Yeah, it does have power, but kind of on the heavy side. I don't know what they used in the frame of that bike. They probably used concrete or something. I don't know how to explain why it's so freaking heavy. So you can buy like a 450 Enduro, like a WR 450F, and convert it. But I want to see a factory-made Japanese powerful lightweight Supermoto, because somebody might not have the convenience to hold on. Somebody might want just to buy a ready to go Supermoto. Just buy it and ride it without like having to convert the wheels, the brakes, suspension, the gearing. If there's money to be made, I don't know, I don't get it. Why they don't make one? I mean, the Japs, they make excellent sport bikes, dirt bikes, motocross, enduro, cruiser bikes, adventure bikes, scooters. So I don't understand why they don't make Supermoto. I don't get that part. Let me know what you guys think about this. Please leave a comment below. And make sure you subscribe. If you did already, nice job. Next step is to like my videos. Till next time, peace. I got somebody requested me to tag a wheelie, and that is Pilot Dave from Lubbock, Texas. This is for you, Dave. Dave, when you see this, please comment below for others to see that we don't mess around here. Lots of respect to Pilot Dave. He's been riding way before I was even born. GSXRs and everything. So, lots of respect to him.